Forget Bali, Phuket, and Tokyo. What if I told you Asia's most breathtaking destinations aren't even on the tourist map? We're talking about places so pristine, so untouched, that they feel like they belong to a different era. Stick with me till the end, because destination number 1 is a place so few foreigners know about. You'll want to book a flight immediately. I'm your guide to the world less traveled, and this channel is all about uncovering the globe's most guarded secrets. My passion is venturing beyond the brochure to find authentic, jaw-dropping experiences. If that sounds like your kind of adventure, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because you won't want to miss where we're going next. Now, let's journey deep into Asia's best-kept secrets, starting with a hidden paradise you won't believe exists. Coming in at number 7 is Luang Prabang, Laos. Tucked away in the misty mountains of northern Laos, this city is a living, breathing UNESCO World Heritage Site. What makes it special is the incredible blend of serene Buddhist spirituality and elegant French colonial architecture. Every morning, hundreds of saffron-robed monks walk the streets for the sacred almsgiving ceremony, a tradition that has continued for centuries. Tourists don't know about it on a mass scale because it's often overshadowed by the party-centric hubs of Thailand and the bustling cities of Vietnam. It's a place that whispers rather than shouts. The best time to visit is during the cool, dry season from October to April. For a few dollars, you can rent a scooter and chase waterfalls like the stunning multi-tiered Kwangsi Falls, or get lost in the vibrant night market. Luang Prabang is a bucket list destination for anyone seeking a place where time slows down, and every street corner tells a story. At number 6, we're heading to the island of Siargao in the Philippines. Known as the surfing capital of the Philippines, Siargao is what Bali was 30 years ago. Its special sauce is the raw, untamed, natural beauty that goes far beyond its legendary Cloud9 surfing wave. Here you can explore otherworldly rock pools, swim in turquoise lagoons surrounded by limestone cliffs, and hop between deserted islands with sand so white it hurts your eyes. While Boracay gets all the mainstream attention, Siargao has remained a relatively guarded secret, cherished by surfers and intrepid travelers. To get the best weather, aim for the dry season between March and October. A pro tip is to venture beyond the main tourist area of General Luna. The island's northern coast is virtually untouched. This isn't just a destination, it's a lifestyle. A sun-drenched, saltwater rinsed escape from the modern world. Our number 5 spot takes us high into the Himalayas, to Sikkim, India. This tiny, landlocked state is one of Asia's best-kept secrets, a former Buddhist kingdom that feels like a world apart. Its magic lies in its dramatic landscapes, from lush, terraced valleys to the snow-capped peak of Kangchenjunga, the 3rd highest mountain on Earth. Ancient monasteries cling to cliffsides, and vibrant prayer flags flutter in the crisp mountain air. The main reason tourists don't know about it is its remote location and the fact that foreigners need a special permit to enter, which keeps the crowds at bay. The best seasons are spring, when rhododendrons paint the hillsides in color, and autumn for clear mountain views. For a truly local experience, book a homestay to experience Sikkimese hospitality and food. A trip here is a soul-stirring journey to the roof of the world, a place that reminds you of the sheer majesty of nature. Next up, at number 4, we descend into the earth in Phong Nha, Vietnam. While most tourists flock to Ha Long Bay, the real wonder lies hidden in the jungles of central Vietnam. This is the Kingdom of Caves, home to some of the most colossal cave systems on the planet, including Sondung, the world's largest. Its uniqueness is the sheer scale of its subterranean world. You can kayak through underground rivers, camp on sandy beaches inside enormous caverns, and trek through ancient jungles to discover entrances to lost worlds. It remains relatively unknown because it's not on the main north-south tourist route and requires a bit more effort to reach. The best time to visit is from February to August during the dry season. Don't miss a visit to Paradise Cave, with its staggering formations that stretch for over 31 kilometers. This is a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, a chance to explore a geological masterpiece that has been forming for millions of years in secret. Quick question: if you could only visit one secret destination from this list so far, which one would you choose? Drop it in the comments below. I'm reading every single one, and I'm curious to see which spot is calling to you the most. All right, let's get into our top 3. At number 3, we have Raja Ampat, Indonesia. Located off the coast of West Papua, this is arguably the last paradise on Earth for divers. Raja Ampat, meaning the Four Kings, is an archipelago of over 1,500 jungle-clad islands set in jewel-toned waters. What makes it special is its position at the heart of the Coral Triangle, giving it the highest recorded marine biodiversity on the planet. You'll swim with giant manta rays, sea turtles, and schools of fish so dense they block out the sun. The reason it's one of the most uncharted travel destinations is its extreme remoteness and the cost to get there, which has protected it from the mass tourism that has affected other parts of Indonesia. The best time to dive is from October to April when the seas are calmest. While live-aboard boats offer the ultimate experience, a growing number of community-run homestays are making this paradise more accessible. A trip to Raja Ampat is like visiting an aquarium the size of a country. Cracking our number 2 spot is a place that truly feels like stepping back in time. Merauk U, Myanmar. While everyone has heard of the temples of Bagan, few know of its mysterious, older rival. Merauk U is an ancient city of stone temples and pagodas, often shrouded in a mystical morning mist. Unlike Bagan's sun-scorched plains, these temples are nestled among small hills and villages, creating a landscape where history and daily life are completely intertwined. You'll see local children playing soccer next to 15th century ruins. The reason it remains so unknown is its incredible isolation. Reaching it involves a flight followed by a multi-hour boat journey up a river. This difficult journey has preserved its authenticity. The best season is the cooler, dry period from October to March. Hire a local guide to navigate the labyrinthine temple complexes and hear the forgotten stories of the Arakanese kingdom. Visiting Merauk U is for the true explorer, someone who wants to feel the thrill of discovering a lost city all for themselves. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for. We've journeyed from serene cities to underwater kingdoms, but our number 1 spot is a place that defies imagination. It is so isolated, so biologically unique, it's often called the most alien-looking place on Earth. A place that proves the greatest secrets are still out there, waiting to be found. And our number 1 uncharted Asian destination is Socotra Island, Yemen. Part of Yemen, but located hundreds of kilometers off the coast in the Indian Ocean. Socotra is a biological treasure. It's what makes this island the ultimate secret. Over a third of its plant life is found nowhere else on the planet. Its landscape is dominated by the bizarre and beautiful dragon's blood tree. which looks like a giant inside-out umbrella and bleeds a crimson red sap. You'll find bottle-shaped trees, crystal-clear natural swimming pools, and sweeping sand dunes that crash directly into the turquoise sea. The reason almost no one knows about it, let alone visits, is its extreme isolation and the geopolitical complexities of its parent country, which make access incredibly difficult and rare. To imagine it, picture yourself standing alone on a pristine white beach, the only footprints being your own, with a forest of otherworldly dragon's blood trees behind you. You're not just a tourist here, you're a witness to a prehistoric world, a living museum of natural history. It is, without a doubt, the crown jewel of Asia's best-kept secrets. So those are Asia's best-kept secrets, destinations that prove you don't need to follow the crowds to experience paradise. From the misty mountains of Sikkim to the alien world of Socotra, the spirit of adventure is alive and well. If this journey sparked your wanderlust, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden gems from around the world. Your support helps me keep exploring and sharing these incredible places. And if you enjoyed these uncharted destinations, wait till you see my list of 10 islands that will disappear in our lifetime. It's a journey you won't want to miss. Until the next adventure, keep exploring the unknown